1. How-to videos and tutorials. These are highly popular because they solve problems for viewers. Whether it's fixing a leaky faucet or mastering a complex software, people often turn to YouTube for guidance. 2. Unboxing and product reviews. This type of video is perfect for viewers looking to learn more about products before buying them. Providing honest, detailed reviews builds trust with the audience. 3. Vlogs. Vlogging offers a personal touch and provides viewers with insights into the creator's life. This creates a sense of connection and can lead to a loyal subscriber base. 4. Travel videos. These invite viewers on adventures and explorations, allowing them to vicariously experience new places and cultures. 5. Gaming videos. An immensely popular genre, gaming videos, including playthroughs and reviews, attract a passionate audience. 6. Educational content. Videos that provide insights, knowledge, or skill development are highly appreciated. They help people learn new things and can range from academic subjects to practical skills. 7. Haul videos. Particularly popular in fashion and beauty sectors, haul videos showcase purchases from shopping trips. They often include merchandise reviews and personal opinions. 8. Pranks and comedy sketches. These are entertaining and engage a wide audience. If done tastefully, they can attract a lot of viewers and subscribers for their humor appeal. 9. Interview and talk shows. Bringing in guests and having conversations on interesting topics can attract diverse audiences interested in those particular topics. 10. DIY projects and crafts. Many viewers are drawn to creative content. These videos guide them through making something on their own, from home decor to handmade gifts. 11. Health and fitness tips. With a growing interest in well-being, channels dedicated to health advice, workout routines, and nutrition tips attract many viewers looking for lifestyle improvements. 12. Music videos and covers. Whether original compositions or covers of popular songs, music videos gather views from fans and can showcase musical talent. 13. Story time and personal experiences. Sharing personal stories, experiences, or anecdotes draws empathy and connection from viewers, creating a bond that can lead to increased subscribers. To effectively grow subscribers and income, consistency and authenticity are key. Engaging with the audience, adopting new trends, and refining content through feedback are crucial strategies for success. Diversifying content and staying true to the creator's passion will create a more dynamic and engaging channel. If you like this video and want to watch more of this kind of information video, please click the subscribe button below. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.